Hi, I'm Maaike from Kefalonia Creations, and today I'm going to do a road trip or a boat trip. I'm going from Kefalonia through Kilini with the boat, and then from Kilini to Zakynthos because I'm going to visit my best friend Maaike. She is there from Holland with her family, and I'm going to meet her for lunch. So of course I had to bring a crochet project. I'm going to make a canopy for my restaurant in Kefalonia in Catelias in the Morning Star. So this is what I have so far. I'm going to make it from a granny square. So for me, a nice opportunity to show you how you can do an invisible increase in a granny square. I'm just about to finish a row, so I'm going to show you. As you can see here, I'm about to finish my row, and the row I started with a single crochet and a chain, followed by a double crochet, 3 chains, and then the following 3 double crochets in the same space there. So to finish off the row, you're going to make 1 more double crochet into this space here. So we do 1 more double crochet right here. And then we're going to make a slip stitch in this chain one. Voila! And now you can hardly see the difference. To move up to the next row, we make a slip stitch here in the double crochet. We make another slip stitch here in the space. We do a chain. And then to make your first double crochet, you make a single crochet with a loose chain. This just looks like a double crochet. Then we do 1 double crochet next to this. And when we come to the end, we make another double crochet here. So you kind of wrap in your single crochet and chain, and nobody will notice that. We do chain 3, and then in the same space, because it's your corner, we make again 3 double crochets. And then you go all the way around. And when you've been all the way around, you cannot see any differences in your increases of rows. Can you see it?